Imagine asking an AI to review your code, fix bugs, write documentation, and even help manage your projects, all directly from your GitHub repositories. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect GitHub to Claude AI in just a few minutes. No complicated setup. Let's get started. GitHub stores your code. Claude AI helps you understand, write, and improve it. When you connect GitHub to Claude, you can analyze repositories, generate code, review pull requests, create documentation, and speed up development. Whether you're a freelancer, startup founder, agency owner, or developer, this setup can save you hours every week. Step 1. Open Claude integrations. First, open your Claude account. Look for integrations, connect apps, or MCP servers, depending on your Claude plan and workspace. Select GitHub from the available integrations. If you don't see GitHub yet, you can still connect it through tools like MCP, Zapier, Make, or N8N. Step 2. Authorize GitHub. Click Connect GitHub. You'll be redirected to GitHub. Sign into your GitHub account and choose which repositories Claude can access. You can allow access to all repositories, only selected repositories. For better security, choose only the repositories you need, then click Authorize. Step 3. Vector the connection. Go back to Claude. You should now see your connected GitHub account. Try prompts like, summarize this repository, explain this codebase to a beginner, find potential bugs in my project, generate documentation for this folder, review my latest pull request. Claude will analyze your repository and provide detailed insights instantly. Step 4. Use advanced workflows. Once connected, you can use Claude to write cleaner code, generate README files, debug errors faster, review pull requests, create test cases, understand legacy code. This is especially useful for teams, agencies, and startups building products quickly. That's how you connect GitHub to Claude AI. With just a few clicks, you can turn Claude into your AI coding assistant and speed up your entire workflow. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment GitHub AI if you want a full tutorial on building AI coding agents with Claude. See you in the next video.